Fence paint peeling or fading can totally wreck your curb appeal and even leave your wood vulnerable, but fixing it is way easier than you might think if you know the right steps. Like, first off, always start by giving the fence a good clean. Grab a stiff brush or just blast it with a hose to get rid of dirt, grime, and old flaky paint. Let it dry out all the way before you do anything else, because damp wood is just asking for problems. Next, sand down the rough spots and peely bits with medium grit sandpaper. You don't have to go crazy, just try to make everything smooth. Wipe off the dust with a clean cloth or leaf blower so you're not painting over a mess. Now, pick up a weather-resistant exterior primer and slap on a nice even coat. This helps your new paint stick way better and last longer. When it's dry, go for a solid exterior paint made for fences or decks, and use a brush for the tricky spots and a roller if you want to speed things up. Try to paint when the weather's dry and not blazing hot or super chilly. Honestly, spring and fall are your best bets. If you want to really lock in that fresh look, think about adding a clear sealer once the paint is dry. Just gives it extra protection against sun and rain. One of the biggest mistakes with fence paint peeling or fading is skipping prep. Like, if you just slap new paint right over old flakes and dirty wood, it's gonna peel again super fast. Always take time to sand and clean first, so your weather-resistant paint has something to stick to. Another common issue is using indoor paint or cheap stuff that's not made for outdoor use. Trust me, only use exterior paint and primers labeled for fences or decks because they actually hold up against rain and sun. Also, people sometimes paint in bad weather. If it's too humid or cold, the paint won't cure right and will just flake off, so always check the forecast and wait for a good day. Last thing, forgetting to seal the bottom edge of pickets where water collects can make the whole thing peel from underneath, so get those hidden spots too. If you notice fading instead of peeling, it probably means the paint didn't have UV protection. Pick one that specifically says it fights sun damage and maybe add a sealer with UV blockers for extra backup. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix fence paint issues the right way. Contractors can also score more jobs in their area by showing off their skills and getting seen by homeowners looking for help with everything from fence repairs to big backyard upgrades.